Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of size and weight. Have you ever picked up a rock and thought, wow, this is heavier than it looks? That's the beauty of our senses. Our eyes and hands can tell us so much about the objects around us. First, let's talk about size. When we look at an object, we often make quick judgments about how big or small it is. For example, think about a basketball and a grapefruit. At first glance, the basketball seems much larger, but if you were to hold them both, you'd notice that the grapefruit is actually quite dense. This is where our sense of touch comes into play. By feeling the object, we can get a better idea of its true size and volume. Now let's move on to weight. Weight is a bit trickier because it's not always obvious just by looking. Imagine two boxes. One is small and compact, while the other is large and bulky. You might assume the larger box is heavier, but what if it's filled with feathers? In contrast, the smaller box could be packed with rocks.